Mayong adlaw sa tanan Lil Fam, this is Klein yung admin sa Little Faith, and before we start season 3, gusto lang ito mahatagan og a little bit overview regarding sa season 3. As you have known, ang atong season 3 would be talking about love life. Perhaps atong may isgutan ang love life, pero it is more on how do we define love and how do we relate it to life. So inana na siya. Nauna sa tanan ang Little Faith nga page was never about the views, was never about kaning monetization, and it was never about to provide reports nga kami as youth ga-participate mi or gabuhat mi sa among part as youth. I don't know if inyo na bang nasabtan ang purpose sa Little Faith, pero ang purpose for me is to find the meaning and to find the value of life. And I know for sure that matag usa sa ato na ay lain-lain yung mga definition on how we put meaning and how do we value life. And that is what I want to discover. So basically, it is a therapy for me. It is an adventure. More siyang quest gan to know more, to learn more about life through you guys or through people. Ikaduha, Little Fam. Season 3 is not anymore about us, but it is all about you. Among gi-isgutan diri sa among group. Why not magbuhat ta og isa ka season wherein kita ang mo-learn from them. Quite unique siya. Quite unique ang season if sila or ang guest na pod ang mo-feed sa ato og information o sila na pod ang mo-educate sa ato. So this season, it will not be about us but all about you guys. And lastly, among ginapaningkamutan nga ang amoang output would not focus on a particular doctrine, but rather to embrace the world as how Jesus did it. I have realized na sa kadaghan-daghan sa problema nga atong nakita karon, we have wars, we have famine, and if you would try to think about those people nga katong yung mga nanginahanglan, I don't think that what they need is another set of rules to follow. I think what they need is empathy. Nga makaila sila mga tao nga musambot sa ilaha, makaila sila og tao nga andam motabang sa ilaha, nga makaila sila og mga tao nga andam mo reach out sa ilaha. And kami sa Little Faith long to be that hand. Discipleship is not only providing somebody with a church, but providing them with a community. Now this platform aims to be that community. So Little Fam, if you believe that you have something to say and you have a special definition of love, please, ayaw kaulo PM sa mua, ug ayaw kaulo mo guest sa ato ang Bonfire Sessions Season 3 Love Life. Kanto lang siguro. God bless you, gamping permi.